Application of matrices, solving system of linear equation, formation of system of linear equation. The meaning of the system of linear equation can be understood by formulating a mathematical model of a single practical problem. This is practical problem. We convert that x, y, there are variables. Convert there are three equations. Now you already know that convert the three equations from the practical problem. Next, system of linear equation in matrix form. This is A11, m linear equation, n unknowns in the following form. That is A11, x1, x2, x3, xn are the variables. We find then the matrix A11, A12, A13 up to A11. That is a matrix n cross n. x1, x2, x3, xn are the variables. Okay, this is matrix. Next, this is x. This is unknowns. That is variables x1, x2, x3. This is another matrix. That is right hand side P1, P2 up to Pn. So three different matrices will from the linear differential linear equation. Okay. Next, solution of system of linear equation. Solution of system of linear equation. The system of linear equation having at least one solution is said to be consistent. The system of linear equation have no solution is said to be inconsistent. At least one solution is consistent. That is, at least one solution or infinitely many solutions. That is a consistent. A system of linear equation having no solution that is said to be inconsistent. Now, if the number of equations of a system of linear equation is equal to the number of unknowns of the system, then the coefficient matrix A of the system of square matrix, further if A is non-singular, because a non-singular matrix, then A inverse exists, otherwise not exists. That's why A must be non-singular matrix. Then the solution of system of equation can be found by any one of the following methods: matrix inversion method, Cramer rule, Gaussian elimination method. Now we will see the first method, matrix inversion method. This method can be applied only when the coefficient matrix is a square matrix and non-singular. Consider AXB. AX is equal to B. A. Then A is square matrix and non-singular. Therefore, A inverse exists. We find the value of x because this is those are linear equations. We find the values of variables. That is x1, x2, x3. Therefore, we find the values x1, x. We multiplied A inverse on both sides. Therefore, x is equal to A inverse B. A inverse equal to I. Therefore, x is equal to A inverse B is a solution of that equation. We consider the matrix equation Ax is equal to B. Now, the solution of that equation by matrix inversion method, x is equal to A inverse B. எப்படி வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா A inverse மல்டிபிள் பண்ணணும், pre-multiplied both sides by A inverse. Therefore, A inverse of Ax is equal to A inverse B by using the associative property, that is a bracket change. So, A inverse A is equal to IA, that is identity property. Therefore, identity multiplied anyone multiplied with the identity, the balance is anyone. Therefore, I in the x is equal to x is equal to A inverse B. That is a solution. Exercise 1.3, first question. Solve the following system of linear equation by matrix inversion method. The first is subdivision. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 2, x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Now we will write the matrix form, that is a matrix form of given system of linear equation We write the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, coefficient of x and coefficient of y of second equation. Here variable xy, 2, 5, 1, 2, xy, the balance right hand side of the two equation, minus 2, minus 3. That is the form of ax is equal to b. This is the first step for all this system of linear equation. Solve the system of equation. Matrix form of the given system of equation, 2, 5, 1, 2, xy is equal to minus 2, minus 3. That is ax is equal to b. We find the solution. That means solve the system of equation, you know very well. We find the value of x and y. That's all. Therefore, now itself we find the value of x. That is a x matrix. X matrix is equal to matrix of xy. X is equal to A inverse B. We find the A inverse first. After that, multiplied with A inverse and B, we get the value of x matrix. Okay. Now, before find the A inverse, first A is a non-singular or singular. We will check. That's why we find the value of A. Therefore, modulus of A is equal to modulus of A. 2 2s are 4 minus 5. That's all. That is 2 cross 2 matrix. Therefore, easy. 4 minus 5, that is minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. A is non-singular matrix. And find the A inverse. Before that, A adjoint A, we need that. Adjoint A 2 cross 2, we have shortcut method. Interchange those 2 2. Here it is same. Therefore, 2 2. Change the sign. Minus 5 minus 1. That is adjoint A. Okay. A inverse. You know the formula of A inverse. You will write here. Okay, don't write. You will write here. A inverse is equal to adjoint A by modulus of A. You know very well the formula. Here modulus of A minus 1. Therefore, does not affect any values. Only affect the sign. Therefore, A inverse minus 2 plus 5 plus 1 minus 2. That is A inverse. Next, the solution of the given system of linear equation, x is equal to A inverse B. Therefore, x is equal to, we find the value of A inverse minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2, and B minus 2, 3, minus 3, right in the place. Just multiplied here 2 cross 2, here 2 cross 1, we get the value of 2 cross 1. Okay, multiplication rules, you know very well. The number of column of first matrix is equal to number of row of second matrix. Here the matrix multiplication rule is satisfied. Now we will multiply first row first column, minus 2 plus 4 plus 5 minus 3 minus 15. Second row first column, minus 2 minus 3 plus 6. The value minus 1, that is 4 minus 15 minus 11. Minus 2 plus 6, that is 4. We get the x value matrix, that is minus 1, minus 11 plus 4. Minus 11 plus 4. Finally, you will write like this. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 4. Here matrix, that is equal matrix, which means 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. Equal matrix, the symbol equal matrix means the corresponding elements are also equal, not equal. Here equal matrix, therefore x is equal to minus 11, y is equal to 4. That is the answer. We will check in algebra. You also check in the given system of linear equation. You will check. You will check your answer. Okay, that's all.